Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. I am so excited for this video. This is going to be the intro for my project pan, my year-long rolling style project pan. This is the project pan where I put in items that I really want to use up or to hit pan in. If you've never seen a project pan before, it is literally just trying to use up products or get a good dent in them. I have found that this style of project pan is most effective for me personally in using things up. I have an item from most categories in my collection that I will be working on. I just did a video detailing all the makeup that I used up last year. I can leave that in the description box if you're interested to see what that sort of thing looks like. But let's get into, oh, first of all, tea of the day. I almost forgot tea of the day. I'm trying something very different for me. I'm trying a sample from something called the Traveling Teapot, and this is a maple cream black tea. I don't usually go for flavored teas. I often find them cloying and just generally nasty. But this one sounds so good, and it came in my Sips by box, so I'm like, okay, I just have to at least try it. When you open the bag, it's an intense maple smell, which honestly I'm here for. I think it smells so good. And I feel like I can smell the maple scent before I even taste it. And I did put a little bit of cream in here since this just seemed like a dessert tea. Might as well make it extra desserty. Let's try it here. It's not as strong as you would imagine from the scent, but it's definitely mapley. And so far, not awful. Well, that is a wonderful thing to discover. That's good. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, I did end up getting the other color of my llama sweater that I love so much from H&M. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. In case you are also a llama lover like me, I will link it down below where I picked it up. Okay, let's get right into the products that I want to use up, starting with base products. So I treat my sunscreens often as primers, and I do want to use up some of my sunscreens this year. So the first one I want to use up is this one from No. 7. This is the Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day Cream with SPF 30. I actually got this through Influencer. This is not necessarily something I would have picked up for myself, but I've been using it, maybe you can't see it. I'll have to insert a picture. I would say this is over half gone already, and I have been using this pretty consistently anyway, so I thought I might as well throw it in my project pan to make sure I finish it up. I don't think I will be done with this by the end of the month, but who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I'm close to the bottom and I just can't really tell. Then for an actual priming product, I want to use up this mini of the Stellar Brilliant Primer. I thought that this was just a illuminating primer. I got this as a gift from somebody, but I saw someone else panning this and she described it as a pore filling primer, which I was like, oh, that's more up my alley than illuminating. It is illuminating though. See, it looks kind of pink. And then when you use it, you can see that faint glow that it gave my skin, but it's nothing too intense, but it does feel really kind of slippy and silicone-y. So I feel like this is something I should be able to use. Hopefully that won't take me an eternity. Sometimes these little minis can really surprise me. Using a flashlight to see where it is, it's already half gone. So hopefully it won't take too long. For concealer, I want to use up my e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. I really like this actually. This would be one that I wouldn't mind having around, but I have some concealers I want to use up, so I might as well get through this one. I feel like this one is actually close to being done anyway. I tried to shine with a light through to see, and it's a clicker on the bottom, so it's pushing the product up, and I think I only have that much left, which is not much at all. I hope I marked that correctly. I guess we will see. But again, this is another product that I don't imagine being difficult to use up. For a base product, I want to use up this mini from Purlisse. This is the perfect time of year to use this product up. This is the Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. It is a very glowy product. Not something I can wear in the summer. So again, very much a good winter product for me. And I don't expect this to take too long. This is such a pretty product. I really enjoy using it. And I'm already halfway done with this. So next up, I'm going to try panning something I have never panned before. So I'm going to start with a mini and see how it goes. This is from the Balm. This is a little mini of the Mary Luminizer. And you can see I have some usage on there, but not necessarily a dip of any sort. This is only 1.05 grams. I'm hoping that, well, first of all, to hit pan. Pan is the ultimate goal. The first goal, but I actually wouldn't mind using the whole thing up. I think that would be super fun. But Being relatively new to highlighter myself, I guess I'm not sure how long that would take me. So again, just starting with a mini, we'll see how I go with panning highlighters. Setting spray, this is a rollover from last year. This is my Hard Candy Long Wear Sheer Envy setting spray. There is hardly any left in there. I can feel it's very, very close to empty. I'm thinking I will be able to roll this one out at the next update. I think I'm going to try and work on a lip liner this year. So this is one from Essence. This is the Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade number 8, Big Proposal. It is a soft pink. It goes with a lot of different colors. It's not too pink, so I can wear it with nude lip products as well. I expect this to take me quite a while. I think this is going to be a long haul product because it's not really, really soft like a ColourPop lip liner, for instance. It has kind of the more classic lip liner formula. This is one of my favorite shades. However, it is discontinued. So in addition to using it up, I might be going on a mission in store, swatching it next to other things to see if I can find a dupe for it. But in any case, this is something that I will enjoy using up. Okay, lip gloss. I was going to roll in this little mini from Tower 28, but look, I started working on it last week and it's almost all gone already. There's just maybe 1 or 2 uses left in this, which, I mean, that's great, that's exciting. So I'm gonna have to roll in another lip product, and I think I'm going to roll in another Essence product. This is the Shine 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 lip gloss in the shade Happiness in a Bottle. This is so pretty, I love it, but it's getting to the point now where it's one of the oldest glosses in my collection. It's not quite old enough to where I feel icky using it, but at the end of this year, that would definitely be the case. So I want to use this up this year. Such a pretty color, so shiny. And again, it still smells like candy. I have several brow products that I want to use up this year. First off, I'm going to use up another little mini. Look how tiny this is. This is so little. This is a sample from Anastasia. I think this is the dip brow. The writing in there is so tiny. I can barely see it, but that's the wand. It's like the tiniest little thing ever. I don't imagine this taking too much longer. I've been using it for a couple weeks exclusively now. Hopefully I can roll this out soon and start working on some of my more full-size products. For lip balm, this is a rollover from last project. There's hardly any left in there. Just a little smidge. So again, I expect this to be gone by the next update. Hand cream, I actually have some pretty large, full-size, like jumbo size hand and body creams I want to use up this year. But before I start tackling those, I want to use up this mini deluxe sample size, I don't know, from Gold Bond. This is the Ultimate Strength and Resilience lotion. I have no idea if this is actually supposed to be for your face or your hands or body or what. I've been using it as a hand cream. It's almost gone already since I started using it not too long ago. I'm starting right there. So again, this should be gone soon. Now next I was going to roll in a body lotion, but I think I'm actually going to roll in this serum from Wishful. I think Wishful is Huda's skincare brand. This is the Thirst Trap Juice. This came in a subscription box. And unfortunately, I've tried it a couple times on my face, and this is a major breakout inducer for me. I can't use this on my face, so I'm gonna try using it basically all over my body. It'll be a nice dose of hydration for the winter time. Because I'll be using such a lot of it at a time, I don't expect this to last a long time. However, it does spread pretty far. You don't need a lot. So maybe it will last me a long time. I guess we'll see. We'll see how I go. Okay, so those are 14 products that I am starting out with in this project. As I finish things up, I will roll other things in, and I'm hoping to beat the amount of products that I used up last year. Last year I used up 41 products, which was so exciting for me. That's definitely the most I've ever used up. I don't know if I'll be able to beat my own little record, but I'm going to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here with me. Thank you for supporting my channel. And if you're starting a project pan, I wish you well on your panning journey. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.